So turn the palms to face up again. Inhale, reaching up, pull the belly in, and we're going to twist to the left. So just twisting, bringing the left hand behind you, right hand on the outside of the thigh, pull the belly in, and just gently twisting from the base of the spine. I'm going to stay here for 3 breaths. So inhale and lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, get nice and tall. Exhale, twist. And when you're at your maximum, just stay there for 1 more breath. Inhale, exhale. On your inhale, come back to center. Reach the arms up. And exhale, twist to the other side. So pull the belly in, looking over that back shoulder. Inhale, exhale, twisting first from the base of the spine. The head just follows the rest of the body. 2 more breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And inhale, coming back to center. Let's move with it now. So inhale, reach the arms up tall, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Let's keep moving with your own breath. Exhaling, twisting. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, twisting. Inhale, coming up. 2 more. Exhale, twisting. Inhale, up. Exhale, twisting. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, bringing the hands back down. I hope that felt really good on your back. As always, move mindfully, gently, and if it's not feeling good, don't do it. So please let me know how you found this, and I'll see you next time.